I'm Mark Calloway, and this is the Revit Tutorials for Beginners series. And in this episode, we're going to have a look at placing components. So, Architecture tab, Build Group, we have a button for components. Again, there is a drop down, but you can either click on the default icon at the top or click on Place a Component. And then in the Properties window, in the Type Selector, we can choose the type of component we are placing. The component button has multiple categories available in there, with furniture kind of being one of the most common. But most objects that don't belong to any of the tools that have a specific button for them, such as doors and for windows, you'll generally find in here. It's a bit of a catch-all. So, let's have a look. So, TV, plasma, that looks nice. Let's go 50 inch. I'm going to select that, and attached to my mouse cursor I now have a preview of this TV panel. I might want to place this one up against a wall. This one looks like it's a free place element. It's not hosted, it doesn't have to be against a wall. I can place it elsewhere. Elevation from level, maybe 1,500 millimeters off of the level on the wall. Bit outside of our view range. Let's just crop that down a little bit and make things easy for ourselves. There we go. I can snap to the wall face here, left click and place that component there. Still inside the component tool, I can go back to the type selector and select something else. Some nice chairs here. Let's get this couch. Wrong angle for that TV, that's fine. Tap the spacebar on your keyboard and rotate by 90 degrees. We can line that up with the centre of the TV, left click and place that there. Maybe I'll place another instance somewhere else. Maybe we'll place one in the corner up against the wall there. And I think there was a small chair that went with it. We'll select that. And maybe we'll place a couple of those in here too. See what else we're having here. Some furniture. Again, choose the type of furniture. Tap the space bar to rotate. And we'll place some of this in here as well. Left click. And there we go. Nicely placed. Thank you for watching.